Aurora glows above Earth, and aurora glows in Earth's atmosphere, as the International Space Station soared 260 miles above Utah during orbital nighttime. Credit: NASA. Microgravity and immunity research. 2 space biology studies on the ISS are investigating how microgravity affects immunity and physical fitness as astronauts prepare for longer missions. Credit: NASA. Exercise studies in microgravity. Astronauts perform fitness evaluations and exercise on the ISS, using specialized equipment to monitor their aerobic capacity and oxygen uptake. Credit: NASA. Cleaning spacesuit components. Astronauts clean and inspect spacesuit components after a spacewalk, ensuring their functionality and reliability for future missions.